Here we go, from my place. It's a bit late today. The wind just came down, it's been blowing, so we go out, it's quite late, see what we can do. I'll see you at the ramp. Ciao! This is my 2016 Sea-Doo GTI 130 with a custom-made setup perfect for offshore fishing that it gives me more stability, more storage and why not even more protection. But now let's go and jump on top of it. Enjoy the view of the beautiful Palmerston Passage before we reach and we cross the bar. I'll see you up there in the ocean. Here we are in the ocean. We just crossed the bar. We are pointing northwest around 12 miles offshore. The waves you can see over there are caused by a little reef and the water is much shallower. We are going to be trolling and let's see if we can catch anything. Luck with trolling, so let's change tactics. Just adding some malagat. This is one of my favorite bait. With this bait I can catch so many different type of fish. And let's see what I can do now. In this one we put pillies. I have 3 hooks, 3 pillies, no sinker. I just want this to go down very slowly and maybe we can catch some big fish. So I've got pillies here and malagat in the other side. Let's see who is capable of catching first. What's that? A little pika. Ah, red emperor. To keep this fish, the minimum legal size has to be 55 centimeters. And you can see that this is a juvenile because it has the dark red bands. You are cute and delicious, but you need to go back in the water. Come on, get it there. Oh yeah, I got something. That's another bait fish. Footballer. The legal size for this fish to be kept must be 38 centimeters. The meat from a cod is so delicate and is definitely one of my favorite fish of the ocean. We moved from our previous location, and while we were moving, just to go closer to shore, this is what we encountered. I am quite confident that those dolphins are common dolphins. They are called in this way because they have been sighted in every ocean and most seas, except polar regions. This dolphin has a gestation period of 10 to 11 months. The newborn calf has a length of 70 to 100 centimeters and weighs about 10 kilograms. Common dolphin species are medium-sized. Adults range between 1.9 and 2.5 meters long and can weigh between 80 to 235 kilograms, although the range between 80 and 150 kilograms is more common. The common dolphin can be seen in groups of different sizes, from small groups of 20-30 animals to groups joining together to form a super or megapods, which can result in thousands of animals. Dolphins are active predators that have carnivorous diet. Their eating habits are flexible so that they can adapt perfectly to the habitat where they live. Common dolphin has been known to eat small fish such as herring, pilchard, anchovies, hake, sardines, bonitos, and sours, as well as squid, octopus, and shrimps. Dolphins are generally playful animals. It is a fact that they spend most of their time playing, and what they are doing with me right now, it is called boat ride. Boat riding is when dolphins surf in the way created by boats and ships. As boats move along the water, they create a wave. The dolphins are propelled forward by the wave, and they will often twist and turn and even swim upside down as they glide through the water. I am sure that if I increased the speed, they would have loved it even more. They are fast swimmers with a top speed of over 60 kilometers per hour. Dolphins are capable of complex problem solving and social interaction. They are considered to be some of the smartest animals on the planet, challenging the great apes, chimps, and gorillas. They are also extremely curious and often approach, as you can see, people to investigate. This is definitely a small group. Look at them, they are all around me. What a magnificent creatures! If it wasn't so cold, because it's winter here, I would have definitely jumped in the water with them. Now, enjoy the dolphins before we go back. I love it completely. Look at that. They're still playing over there. Here we go. After the dolphin, we stop here around, I don't know, 5 miles. So Yeah, around 3.5 maybe, because the fish finder is beeping all over. So let's see. I do not believe, look at this fish finder, it's full, but they don't eat. I'm not sure what's going on, if it was the full moon last night or since the current is changed, no one bite. Nothing. That is crazy. No luck in catching anything decent today. What's going on? And no fish tonight. No fish tonight. Plenty there. So many. Nothing. They don't like my malagat. But they don't like even the pillies. I've got pillies there. Considering the conditions, even if the fish finder is showing so many fish, I reckon that soon I'm gonna go back and going probably in that island over there. I'm going to fly the drone a bit more, and then I'm gonna go back to my lovely family. Coming back, we stopped to this magnificent island before to go back where we live up there in the other side of the channel. And yes, this is a fantastic place, and that's where I'm living. And coming back, we stop here just to tell you something about today. Today we left home quite late. It was late. I wanted just to test a few new setup. I wanted just to chuck the drone in the air and see few functionality. Anyhow, we went out, fish everywhere in the fish finder, but yeah, they were not biting much at all, and probably because too much moonlight last night. We had full moon. Anyhow, for me it's just amazing be there by myself in the middle of the ocean. Now it's time to go home, and I'll see you probably back to my place. Otherwise, I'll see you next time. Ciao!